When we first moved into our house 4 years ago, we built this bin store to separate this yard area from the garden. And I laid these slabs without really having any idea what I was doing. And now I do have an idea what I'm doing, they do my head in. So today I'm going to start to make that right. The slabs we used originally were these slate ones, but all our patios in the garden and the path are sandstone. So these ones don't match. We also didn't have enough of the sandstone to do this area, so we carried the slate on around this corner. Firstly, this yard area was originally concrete, so I just laid the slabs following the fall of the concrete, but I wish that I'd sorted the levels out. And then secondly, I wish I'd slabbed inside of the bin store. Currently there's just a couple of flagstones that the bins sit on top, and then there's a slate border, but the slate border gets covered in muck and debris and it ends up just being a mess. So firstly, I'm going to run the slabs into this bin store so it's continuous and it doesn't have the gap, and then secondly, I'm going to sort out these levels. Right, so now that's said, I'm going to start lifting these slabs. Hopefully we can get these up without breaking them. And yeah, I'm going to use the SDS and hopefully they'll come up not too badly. So that's all the slabs lifted. Most of them did survive. There were a few casualties, so I'll have to get rid of them, but at least a lot of them can live to see another day. What I'm going to do now is just obviously clear all these slabs away to open the space up, and then I'm just going to clean up the concrete slightly to get rid of any of the loose bits. Anything that's solid can obviously be laid straight onto. And then I'll just brush things up and that should be us done. So that's these slabs all lifted. In the next video, I'm going to be laying the sandstone slabs. So make sure you subscribe if you're not already, so you don't miss that one. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.